Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word demonstrates. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The scientist's experiment demonstrates the effectiveness of the new drug in treating cancer. Demonstrates in this context means to show or prove the effectiveness of something through a clear and convincing presentation or action. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.